How you doing? Joe Luque over here, and it's a beautiful winter day, and we're talking about things on the new Traverse. One thing a lot of people don't know is on the new Traverse you can actually open the screen, which is very cool. You got a USB port back there, but what's really nice about it is you can put it in valet mode, so when you have your phone paired, someone else is driving your vehicle, it'd be nice to know that they can't see your contacts, or if you hide stuff back there, put something back there, you don't want it to be want them to get to it. So now you can go into settings and go down to valet mode and pick a 4-digit code to lock the screen. It'll have you pick it again, just make sure you don't forget it. Lock it up. Now that's going to lock the screen and lock your stuff in there. It's going to lock all your information, so all they can do is drive the car and they can't see any of that. So it's pretty nice to know you have that. To get back in, you got to put the right code in, unlock it, and you're back to normal. That's the valet mode on the new Traverse. Come out and see us at Phillips Chevy.